Hello everyone, my name is Rashmi Gimire. I'm doing the Teach 1 assignment for HAP 823 class. The Teach 1 is regarding multi-level regression question number 3. What is multi-level regression? So multi-level regression allows one to create two sets of regression models, one for individual patient in a practice and the other one for group level data. The separation of this modeling efforts allows the analyst to see what factors affect clinical practices independent of patient differences. There are two types of multi-level regression. One is intercept and another is coefficient multi-level models. So in this chapter, we'll focus on intercept. So why do we need two separate models? We need two separate models because when we do micro level variables that are correlated with macro level characteristics, patient characteristics may distort the relationship among practice level variable. Um, Practices differ in patients they care for, and multi-level analysis is usually more accurate because it removes the differences among those characteristics. So here's the question that I'm going to solve. So the question is, using multi-level modeling, calculate the expected length of stay for clinician and peer group after removing the effect of previous myocardial infarction and congestive heart failure. Compare the performance of the clinician to the peer provider using the intercept estimated for each groups. So here you can see two sets of data, one for clinician patient and another is for peer provider patient, and then they have case and they have previous MI and previous congestive heart failure and length of stay. So in this scenario, multi-level regression is justified since we are estimating two predictors. One is MI and another one is a congestive heart failure on patient length of stay for two independent groups, clinicians and peer providers. So here I have two data set. One is from clinician patient and the another one is for peer providers. I put that in Excel. After putting the data into Excel file, I downloaded the data into R. I used the code model equals GLM, sorry, clinician patient, and I chose length of stay as my dependent variable, and then data equals clinical patient, and I chose previous MI and congestive heart failure. So I did the summary of the model, and here you can see the intercept. So I wrote this code intercept 2 for intercept 2 equals coefficient model. So here's the intercept for this model is 5.1363636. So I did separately for both of the providers. So here's for the peer providers patient. For this, I got intercept of 3.9073171. This is a little bit different than what professor got in the class, but this is how the R gave me the result. So after getting the intercept, I bind it to intercept. The code for that is center dot intercept equals R bind, so intercept 1 and intercept 2. So here you can see the results of intercept 1 and intercept 2. So looking at the length of stay of both clinician patient and peer provider patient, we can see that clinician patient has longer length of stay, which is 5.13 than peer provider. Peer provider has 3.90. It's not very significant, but still we can see that the clinician patient has longer length of stay. In this case, we cannot do second level regression because of lack of sufficient data points to correlate with the findings. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening. I hope this presentation helped you with finishing up your assignment.